Hi everyone, I am Achal. Welcome back to our video. In this video, we will be having a discussion regarding the Magento 2 Azure Active Directory module. This module allows the users to log in through the Azure Active Directory account. Also, this module allows the user to directly access their customer panel by using the Azure Active Directory credentials. Basically, it is a directory which provides the single sign-on experience to the users. So let's have a detailed discussion regarding this plugin in the further slides of this video. And before proceeding ahead, I would request you to please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button to get more updates. So let me take you to the work performance of this plugin. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let me take you to the backend of Magento 2 there. So let's have a discussion regarding the backend configuration of the Magento 2, like how you can configure the Magento 2 Azure Active Directory module in the backend of Magento 2 there. So as you can see, I have successfully logged into the backend of Magento 2 there. Now here you need to navigate into the left navigation, and inside there you will get an option of stores. You need to tap over that particular stores option, and accordingly you will get an option of configuration over there. Now here you need to tap over that particular configuration settings, and accordingly a new window will come up where you will find the complete settings of the Azure login. As you can see, we do need to provide the general configuration over there. So let's have a quick discussion one by one over each of them. As you can see, first we do have an option of module enable. From here you can enable or disable this particular plugin. Now next we do have an option of application client ID. This is something which you will get from the backend of your Microsoft, like from the account of your Microsoft which you have created. So let me take you to the backend of Microsoft, and here inside the app registration section you need to tap over that particular application which you have created, and here you will get all the required details along with the application client ID and object ID. As here you can see, application ID you will get from there, and if we are talking about the client secret key, then you will get this secret key inside the particular application. As you can see here, for this you need to tap over that particular certificates and secrets option, and inside there the new secret key which you have created earlier, you will get that particular key from there, and from there you need to copy that secret key and you need to configure that particular key inside the general configuration of the Magento 2 backend. And if we are talking about the directory ID, then you will get that particular directory ID from there, as you can see inside the Azure application. And next you need to provide the callback URL over here, and after filling out the required information you need to tap over the save configuration option, and accordingly these configuration will be successfully saved and you have successfully configured the plugin from the Magento 2 there. So let me take you to the front end, like how once you configure this plugin, then how it will going to look like over the front end there. As here you can see, this is the front end of our Magento 2, and here once you are trying to log in to the panel, then you will get a new window from where you need to fill out. Here you will get two options, like first one you need to fill out your information manually, like as you can see you are having two options. Either you can log in by filling out the required information like email and along with customer password as well, and next you will get an option of login with Azure. This is possible by configuring the Magento 2 Azure AD plugin from the backend there. So to move with this login with Azure option, you need to tap over that particular button, and accordingly a window will comes up from where you can able to pick an account by which you want to logged in. As you can see now, after tapping over there, you have successfully logged into the front end of your Magento 2. Likewise, you can able to access your customer panel by using the Magento 2 Azure Active Directory plugin module. Now, as you can see, I have successfully logged into the back end of Microsoft account there. So let's have a detailed discussion like how you need to configure the details from the back end of Microsoft. So as here you can see, I am on the account of Microsoft Azure over there, and the very first step is you need to add an application, that is registered an application. So here you need to first tap over that particular option, that is app registration, and accordingly it will display you the already registered application. And if you want to create your new application, then you need to tap over that particular option, that is new registration, and accordingly a new window will comes up from on where you need to fill out the required information along with the name. Like here I am going to create a new application along with the name, that is Azure SSO, and next you need to select the support account. As here I am choosing this account in any organization directory option, and next you need to tap over that particular option, that is registered. Once you tap over that particular register option, and accordingly a new pop-up will comes up along with this message like successfully created application along with the name of that particular application. Now as you can see, you can track the complete information, like you can have an overview of your created application. Now if you want to add any redirected URL as well, then you can also do the same. For this you need to navigate into the left navigation, and inside there you will get an option of authentication. Accordingly you need to tap over that particular option, and here inside the platform configuration you need to tap over add platform option, and you can tap over the web application on which you want to provide the redirected URL of this particular application. So next, moving ahead, I will going to show you like how you can create the customer credentials from the Microsoft backend there. So for this you need to navigate into the left navigation again, and here you will find an option of certificates and secrets. From here you can able to create a new client secret key. As here after tapping over that particular option, a new window will comes up along with the multiple options, and also here you will get an option of new client secret key from where you can create a new key as well. Once you tap over that particular option, then a new window will comes up along with the description and expiration of that new created client secret key. As here I am going to create a new secret key. So I am filling out the required information along with the description and expiration date, and need to tap over that option, that is add. Once you tap over the add button, then a new window will comes up along with a pop-up like successfully you have updated an application along with the SSO credentials. So as here you can see over the screen, a new secret key will appear along with the secret ID as well. So this is all about like how you can create the application, like how you can register the application, and how you can create the client secret key as well. Now moving ahead, I will going to show you like how you can create the new users from the backend of Microsoft Azure there, and how you can send an invite link to already registered users. So for that you need to navigate inside the home option again, and here you will find an option of users. So for the users work performance, you need to tap over that particular option, that is users, and here you will find a complete list of the registered users. And if you want to create new user, then you need to tap over this particular option, and here you will find two options like create new users or already registered user sent invitation link. So I am tapping over here the create new user option button, and a new window will comes up from where you can create new user as well. And as I have already created a user, so I am sending here the invite to that particular user. So from the template I am selecting here invite user, and next you will get an option of identity from where you need to fill out the required information, that is name, email address, first name and last name. So here I am going to fill out the information as here I have provided the name along with the email address, and again I need to provide the first name and last name. And if you want to convey any message, then you can add the same from here by tapping over personal message button, and here you can write down your content as well. Now after that you need to tap over the invite button, and accordingly an invitation is sent to that user and you will get a pop-up as well. Now let's have a look like how user will get this email notification. As you can see here over the screen, a new mail will comes up along with the invitation and along with the content which you have sent out from the backend of Microsoft there. Now as a user you need to tap over that particular option, that is accept invitation. After tapping over there, a new window will comes up along with some permissions. To accept this invitation you need to tap over that button, that is accept invitation, and accordingly a process will appear over the screen and you will going to switch into your account successfully. As you can see, I have successfully logged in my account. This way you can able to configure the settings from the backend of Microsoft account there. So that's all about the Magento 2 Azure Active Directory plugin. If still you are having any kind of concern or queries, you can reach us at support@webkul.com, or you can also raise a ticket from webkul.uvdesk.com. I hope you liked our video. If so, then please give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching out this video today. Have a great day ahead.